Structureware Data Center Operation version 8.1 introduces work order templates. You use a template to define tasks in a specific workflow. You can then add a template to a work order. This is Jackie. As administrator, she is creating a work order template. She gives the template a name and assigns it to a group. Any member of the group can claim and execute the tasks assigned to the group in the template. Jackie creates some tasks. This task is always performed by the same person. This task is assigned to the group. You can assign one group to a task and a different group for the entire work order. Let's open the workflow view. Here, Jackie can define task dependencies. These tasks can only be executed in the defined order. You can also see who is assigned to each task. Jackie saves the template. Where did it go? There is a new view for work order templates. Here is the template Jackie just created. From this view, she can open template for editing or delete it. Let's apply the template to a work order. This is STAS. He is a member of the Planners Group. He wants to install 2 new servers in the data center. STAS creates a new work order. He gives the work order a name and assigns it to the Technicians group. The work order editor keeps a record of all tasks in the open work order. The server moves are recorded in the work order. Cable connections are automatically created. STAS also uses the workflow view. Cables cannot be connected until the servers are in place, so these tasks are dependent. Each server can be installed individually, so these tasks are not dependent. STAS will assign the template that Jackie created. Tasks from the template are added to the work order. STAS creates more dependencies. The last task, installation check, can only be performed when all servers and connections are in place. Let's have a closer look at this work order. Servers arrive in the warehouse where Bob unpacks and checks them. Then, members of the Planners Group check required power and cooling. Then, technicians move servers and connect them. And last, a member of the Planners Group should perform the final check. STAS saves the work order. Let's check the progress of the work order. This is John. He is a member of the Technicians group. John is using a mobile phone to view the work orders. The first 2 tasks on the work order are already completed. John can start working on his part. This is a list of all open work orders. The top part of the list shows the work orders assigned to John's group. The next task on the work order is blocking other tasks. John examines the task details and the equipment involved. John is assigning the task from the group to himself. Now that task is assigned to John personally. John changes the task status. After completing the task, he changes the status again. Now the server is installed and the cable connection tasks become available. The last task is not assigned to John's group. John taps the task to see more details. Tapping on the device opens the rack view with the device highlighted. The required location of the server is highlighted. John can also unassign a task to release it back to the group. We looked at work orders and templates in StructureWare Data Center Operation version 8.1.